Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Woodsman Adventures. So I do have some YITAMotor side steps for the 2020 to 2022 Jeep Gladiator. These are 6-inch wide aluminum steps. Will have a plastic top on them for grip. I want to bolt these on here and see, because the ones I had on here before was some pipe style tubing and didn't protect it much as far as rocks flying up and hitting the Jeep and mud splashing all over the side. So I'm thinking this is going to do a lot better job. I'm not getting paid anything. They sent them to me to review at no charge, and I'm just going to stick them on here. We're going to try them out. If I don't like them later on, I'll let you know down the road, but I'll post a link in the description where you can check these out. They do say that they'll hold up to 450 pounds, which is more than me. So they should be nice and solid. And like I said, they are made out of aluminum, so we're going to take these things out of the box and check them out, see what they look like, see what kind of hardware comes with them, and instructions. So I got the box already cut here. And then we need to just lay these pieces out. So these are going to be our mounting brackets. And I don't know how many there is. Obviously this will be the mount that mounts on the Jeep right here. With these two bolts going to the inside. I'm sure this is going to go like right here. Like so. That actually is the correct way it looks like. So you have one bolt going up, and then you got the two bolts here that you put the nuts on the back side, and that's where we'll set the steps on them. So it looks like there's going to be 4 per side. The ones that come from rough country that had the tube ones only had 3 per side, and they wasn't near as heavy duty as these right here. These are nice and beefy. So we're gonna have actually 4 of these per side, which should make this thing really solid and hold lots of weight. That's why they claim 450 pounds, but they'll hold, which is a lot. We take this thing out of here and take it out of the bubble wrap so we can see what we got here. So we definitely have some good looking aluminum. That's really nice. Looks like it's black powder coated, or I don't know if it's anodized, but looks like it's powder coated black, really nice. And these nice plastic steps, one for the front door, one for the passenger door. Really nice looking. All of our bolts to bolt them on is already in right here. And they work in actually a T-slot is what they do. So very nice made. We'll take and get this one bolted on, see what it looks like. So right here it does look like it comes with some instructions. The brackets here are different lengths. The 10-inch brackets go in the front, and the 8.5-inch bracket length goes in the rear. Okay, so what we have here is the 2 front brackets. They're going to have 2 hex nuts each, and then 2 bolts with lock washers and flap washers that will bolt up on here. And then we will have, these are the 10-inch ones. The 8.5-inch ones will go in the back exactly the same way. And then when I do the other side, it'll be just identical on the other side. Okay, so we place our first bracket up here, put the bolts in these 2 holes. Like so. Then we take our 2 10mm nuts, put it on the back side here. Then our larger bolt will go straight up. We want to make sure that these are tight first. Now we will put our long bolt, which is a 14mm hex head, straight up. And we repeat the process all the way down on all 4 brackets. This one's next, we'll go all the way down. Okay, so now I have all 4 brackets on. You see the 2 front 10-inch ones and the 2 rear 8.5-inch ones right there. So now I'm ready to put my side step on. Okay, so putting the side step on, we're going to want to loosen all of these 12mm bolts. I want to set it up there, get them kind of lined up to where there's 4 for each one, all the way down. And then we'll take the bolts out, put the bolts back up through the bottom into the nut that's in the T-slot right here. And that should just bolt it all on. So when this bolt's on, you got a wide side here that goes out. The narrow side goes back, just like so. Okay guys, there it is. I got all of my bolts in. Not much to it, just slide them up from the bottom. I line all the bolts up and put them all in. Kind of hard to do it on the video, so I actually didn't do that part, but very simple. I still got to do the other side, but there's no sense in video on both sides, but they're both the same, so they actually look really good. You can see they got the nice plastic step on here. Now it's not rubberized, but it's plastic. And of course this is all the black powder coated aluminum. Looks really nice all the way down, all the way up to my mud flap. So it ought to keep a whole bunch of the mud off the side of this Jeep. We're going to find out. I'll let you know in a later video. Check out the link below to this. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one. Right on.